My name is Matt Moore of Moore's Repair Service. We're here Monday through Friday, 8 to 6. We do general automotive repair. We've been in business for 30 years, opened in February 4th, 1991 by Edgar and Marcia Moore. As you can guess, that's my parents. We offer oil changes, general automotive repair, brake jobs, timing belts, tire rotations. If you need to get your vehicle checked out before going on vacation, we'll gladly check it out for you. If you need to check out a vehicle before you buy it, we'll also gladly do that for you.